Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you are, I'd love it if you'd subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you never miss any video. Jumping into this makeup look we're doing today, I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown face base to moisturize and prep the skin. Then I'm going in with Topicals Sealed, which is like an active scar primer. It's supposed to be like a skincare and primer hybrid. Really been enjoying that. And then for eyeshadows, I'm using these Amicale liquid to powder eyeshadows. These are really convenient, and they're really good. If you are a beginner or even a pro, I feel like you'd really enjoy these because they're just so easy to work with. You just pop them on your lid and blend them out, and they give you the most seamless, effortless, quick and easy type of makeup. And if you wanted to take it up a notch, you could always apply shimmer or glitter or just any other eyeshadow on top of it to give it more depth and dimension and just make your look so much more like put together, like you put a lot more effort into it than you actually did. But those will be all the shadows that I'm using on my lid today, and I'm just going to give a nice blown out everyday type of look. And then I'm going to apply some lashes, and these are some Juvia's Place lashes that I got on sale at Ulta, and they are beautiful. Then for liquid highlighter, I'm using Brave from LYS as well as their foundation. Definitely applied too much foundation, but we're not gonna worry about it. It's gonna come together, okay? I'm gonna be using a lot of their products in this video because they're currently like my new thing. I'm just like really loving their products, and I would highly recommend you guys checking them out. They're on the more affordable side compared to other products at Sephora, and they've been dropping heat. Like all their products have been hits after hits after hits. So y'all might want to get into it. And for contour, I'm using the Smashbox 4-in-1 highlighting pen situation. Love this. Already raved about it on my TikTok. If you haven't seen it, definitely go check it out. But this product right here, I have like a contour shade as well as a concealer shade, and it just works so well. No matter how much of it you apply, your skin is gonna look so good. And then for blush, I'm using LYS, of course. Y'all know the vibes. I feel like I might as well just skip saying the brand name, especially if y'all can see the name on the product. But all these products will be linked down below if you guys are interested. And then I'm going in with concealer. I'm using two shades. One's like a more neutral undertone, and then one's a little bit more golden. I'm just going to apply those and then blend them out with my favorite concealer brush. Y'all, I know that this video is pretty short, but I'm just in this weird space where I absolutely love creating content, especially makeup content. It's just my thing. I'm in my makeup bag again. But I also know that the content, the type of content people consume and the way they consume it has changed so much to the point where it's almost like people don't have the attention span for longer videos. And I know that's weird to say because so many YouTubers upload hour-long vlogs, but it's like unless it's a vlog and unless you're one of those YouTubers, they don't want a long video. You know what I mean? So it's just like, what do I do? Do I keep my content short and spicy like for TikTok and Reels and YouTube Shorts? Or do I make my long videos and blase? I don't really know. But if y'all want longer videos and if y'all want me to do talk throughs, I definitely can. But I also really like making just like voiceover, because then, well, not voiceover, let me not lie. I also like making videos where I'm just doing my makeup and music's playing, because I'm usually listening to music while I'm doing my makeup. So that's how we get like a lot of videos with just me doing stuff and music in the background, okay? But this is how the face is coming together. I absolutely loved how this look turned out. I mean, technically I love all my looks, okay? Because I be doing a thing. But if you follow me on other platforms, then you have seen this look before, like a long time. I'm just a little backed up with editing YouTube videos at the moment, and I also talked about this in a recent video on another platform. But it's just the season of life, okay? Life, things come in seasons, so that's just that. We'll save that for a little chit chat if y'all want to know the tea. But I'm going in, spraying the face. I'm gonna do lips. I'm doing a little matte lip moment today. I don't know what that was, but anyways, it's early in the morning. We gonna ignore that, okay? This is how the look came together. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other boy, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I know. 199, want you. If I can't have you, no one should have mine.